I'm filming, so. Whenever you want to begin.
Hi, I'm Charmaine Lord, and it's Cocktail Friday, but we're not really doing a cocktail today. We're going to do a rum toddy. Just in case you're feeling a little bit like, little sniffles. But also, sometimes I just love rum toddies, even when I'm not feeling the sniffles. So, we have about 6 ounces of hot water boiled. Into that, I'm going to pour some rum, 2 ounces. 2 ounces of honey. Whoa. And then I'm going to put in half a lemon. It's a little bit fat, but we'll get good. I'm going to throw in a cinnamon stick. And give that a nice little stir. Pour now my toddy into a glass. And then my last, I'll shave a little nutmeg. Give that a stir. Actually, really nice. So now, time to chase that cold away. Wow, I love it. You don't need to be sick to make a rum toddy. Happy Friday! Bad boy!